What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. Don't forget the website up, www.TheIceKonnect.com, and make sure y'all leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Today I'm gonna try to show y'all the difference between Lab Diamond and Moissanite. This is a Lab Diamond AP, and right here I got an all-white Cartier Moissanite. Still hit just as hard. The camera don't really do it no justice, but y'all can kind of see when it lose focus, like how this one hitting compared to this one. In person, the Moissanite kind of got like a rainbow tint to it depending on the lighting, but it still hit hard. And most people wouldn't even tell the difference unless they know jewelry. But I'm gonna show y'all the difference right here. I got a rose and white gold Cartier Moissanite. And all these watches I got right here today is the Swiss. For y'all that didn't know, Swiss is the authentic size of a Cartier watch, and the Japan movement is a little thicker. I don't got a Japan with me to show y'all the difference, because I try to keep mainly Swiss on hand, because I don't try not to sell my customers the Japan movement. I don't want nobody walking around with a fat watch, and people know the difference. Over here, I got a two-tone yellow and white gold Cartier Moissanite compared to the Lab Diamond AP. And I got another AP right here with me today. This one is Moissanite. Show y'all the difference compared to the Lab Diamond AP. Hit just as hard. Like I said, I don't know if it's doing no justice on camera. I'm gonna try to do y'all a couple different lights tests, but y'all see the clarity. This is a regular AP with the big stones all the way around, fully bust down. Then this one got the Arabic dial, good movement, everything Swiss. But yeah, I got everything for sale. Just check the website. Like I told y'all in the other video, I can give y'all a better deal if you purchasing straight through the DM online. Gotta pay taxes, so it'll be a little bit more expensive online. But like I said, come to the DM and we'll get you right for sure. Somebody will hit you up, take care of you. We'll get to the DMs as soon as possible. Any other questions, y'all can go check the frequently asked questions on the page. And yeah, we'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. If y'all had any other questions, just DM us on Instagram or shoot us an email. You can go to our contact on the email and send us a message. We'll get back to you as soon as possible.